Again. What's interesting about it too was the tint range had before those capacitors failed completely and started really messing the whole situation up. The tint range wasn't working right. When it would turn to the green, it would just lose color altogether. Turning it to the left to get back to the magenta, it was fine. So clearly there was something going on. I don't know why I'm getting some noise in the picture. But yeah, see now you can see I can adjust the tint. Well, this doesn't look good. Huh, that's weird. I wonder if I lost my signal. Let me go back and monkey with the signal a little bit. Did I move something over here? There. Yeah, I got a loose connection on the antenna. Sorry about that. So anyway, what I was getting at was that the magenta, see now it goes full green. It wouldn't do that. The color would just go out. And it goes full magenta too. And the tint setting is pretty much dead nuts on in the middle. So whatever those caps, part of that power supply clearly was causing an issue. I mean, it would, like I said, you roll to green, all color gone completely. It would do a little bit green and it gone. Like the oscillator just stopped running. So my guess was maybe I had low B plus or something. I'm not sure. And now it's kind of getting blurry. Anyway, I need to check the focus setup on it. That might have changed a little bit. But yeah, it's much better now, and the new caps went in just as planned. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.